Hello friends and welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel. The second video of our Introduction to Technical Analysis tutorial set is what are the trend lines and support resistance zones and how to draw them. But before we start, I would like to say that you can have all the crypto information you need for free from our YouTube channel. So do not forget to subscribe, turn the notifications on and follow our other social media accounts to not miss out on the hottest crypto related news, upcoming pre-sales and airdrop chances. We learned the basics of how to use TradingView on our first video, and now let's start with trend lines. There are two types of trends, uptrends and downtrends, and the trend lines are to identify the top and bottom of these trends so that traders might get an idea of where the price will move next. Trend lines can easily be drawn in any time frame, but we need to identify an up or a downtrend first. The best way to identify the existing trends is to look at them on the 4 hours, daily or weekly charts. You can think of it as a macro analysis. This way is often used to identify the long-term price directions, and we can use the rest of the time frames for making short-term price analysis. We need to find at least two major swing points on both sides to draw trend lines. There is one in here, second one, the third one right there, same, 1, 2 and 3. The basic behind drawing trend lines is to understand when to enter or exit a trade. If we have a look at this downtrend on the 1 hour chart, we can see the entry and exit points more clearly. And as there are macro and micro trends, there can be more than several trends within trends. What we see as a downtrend on the daily chart can have uptrend points on the 5 minutes or 15 minutes chart. For example, we have an uptrend in here, later followed with a downtrend at this area. And let's see, we have another uptrend, downtrend and another uptrend, and this one is important because of this breakout point. As you can see, this uptrend is the end of our downtrend. Now let's have a look at the support and resistance zones. The idea behind support and resistance zones is the same as identifying the upcoming price movements in the market, and to do that, just like in the trend lines, we need to locate at least two major swing points. As you can understand from the name, support stands for the bottom point of the price and resistance is the location where the price bounces back. The idea behind that you can enter a trade when the price touches the support zone and you can exit when it touches the resistance zone. But of course, there are many aspects to consider before entering a trade, such as moving averages, which will be the topic of our next video. We should never enter a trade just because it touched a support or resistance zone. Those aspects can be separated into two categories: fundamental analysis and technical analysis. You can find both in our tutorial sets and learn them for free. You can check our Bitcoin from the scratch tutorial set by clicking the link in the descriptions. And this is the end of our video for today. I hope you have enjoyed our content. If yes, please drop a like under the video and share it with your friends. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and follow our other social media accounts to not miss out on upcoming pre-sales and airdrop chances. Thank you for watching and take care. Until next time.